I always ask people about their favorite music. So, Emily, what's your favorite music? Zimbabwean music would be Afrobeats, Japreza, this.
Yeah, Joe Fraser.
Japreza, actually,
Yes.
right. Yeah, I like him as well.
Yes, for me, I like reggae music.
Reggae music, right?
Yes.
Cool. Who's your favorite artist in reggae?
Artist,
Yes.
usually I like what call it? Rastafari.
Rastafari is a band.
Yes, it's a Rasta woman. Rasta.
Rasta. There's a lot of Rastas around, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, Zimbabwe. Because Bob Marley came to Zimbabwe and, in 1980 and gave a big concert in Harare.
Yeah, it's true.
And there's even a song, you know, Zimbabwe, something about Zimbabwe.
Yeah, it's true.
All right.